Hello everyone, welcome back to One Honey Bell Kitchen. Today we are cooking some stewed chicken, brown stewed chicken a different way. If you look at it's some chicken breast and thigh that I cut small, like this size, and I season already with I wash with some vinegar and some lemon. And now I season after with a little salt, bell pepper, tomato, celery, whatever season you want of scallion, onion, garlic. I love to cook with a lot of garlic. And then I put some soy sauce with a little bit of browning. So I show you what's going on in One Honey Bell Kitchen later. So I'm cooking some brown stew chicken as I told you, and then put it in a pot. You don't have to put no oil because the chicken itself have oil, but this chicken is skinned already. There's no fat, there's no oil, so I'll put a little bit of this olive oil on it, just a little bit, not too much, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook and brown, and then I show you later. It's gonna make its own juice. If it need a little juice, I'll show you later what's going on in our kitchen, One Honey Bell Kitchen. Subscribe and like to our videos and follow us on Instagram for more delicious recipes. It's getting brown and you keep stirring. If it dried out too much, you can add a little warm water or hot water to it. You don't want to put cold water on your meat, so you add a little warm water to it and just cover it down and let it brown. You're cooking brown stew. I could also put some Irish potato and some carrot, but today I'm gonna leave that out. I'm just doing it quickly. This is like a 20 minutes dinner I'm cooking here. So I show you later as we go on and cook. So my chicken, my brown stew chicken is finished, and it looks good and it's tasty. And we're gonna have this with some steamed cabbage. But subscribe and like, and if you look, it's very soft. It's cooked soft and nice. Here's another piece. It's good. So subscribe and like to our videos and follow us on Instagram. For those of you who do not subscribe yet, I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And for those of you who have subscribed already, thank you. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a wonderful evening. Mwah.